Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesforce CRM step by step clearly. To register with Salesforce CRM, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Salesforce website by typing in salesforce.com. On the home page, locate the Start Free Trial button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your first name, last name, and email address. Choose a secure password that meets the required criteria. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your job title and the company name you work for or a placeholder if you are registering for personal use. Specify the number of employees in your company. Read through the Salesforce Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Start Free Trial button at the bottom of the form. You may receive an email for verification. Open your email inbox and find the verification email sent by Salesforce. Click on the verification link in the email. You will be redirected back to the Salesforce website. Complete any additional information requested during the account setup. Once you've finished the setup, log in using your email and password. Your Salesforce CRM account is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.